stretch, along with P.J. Lucas in the 8-ball. All right, back stretch. Looks like they're moving your way. Well, let them know you want the trunks of cars right in front of you. P.J. Lucas in the 8-ball. Got an assist into the infield. That's not where he wants to be. Get on out there, PJ. Nothing for you to hit in the infield. There you go. PJ gets turned around. And we still got some activity over there in the south side. Radiator on in. Looks worse for wear. He's still moving at the moment.
Oh my God!
This might do it. Oh! And he has been flagged. The 24 Trevor Pack. His ride is over. Looks like we have 3 cars remaining. And I apologize, from my vantage point, it's kind of hard to see what these numbers are. We've got 4 in the mix now. Oh, yes! It's going to take more than that. They need to be on the track. Can't do damage. You're trying to crash into each other in the infield. 4 cars remain. Red car over there, the red car. Here we go, turn number 2. Shorter and shorter wheelbase as we go through the end of the red car. 3 cars remaining. Which one will be the victor?